household staple. It's an awesome taco seasoning, BT dubs. Spill it everywhere. And you're gonna mix it up. And that's it. Hola familia, Busy Mommy here, and welcome back to our channel. One thing that I wanted to come on and do is a Latin household staple, and that is this. Now I took the label off obviously, but you guys know what this is. If you've ever cooked at a Latin family's house or seen them, they have this, and it is adobo. I dropped it. I was trying to be cool and flip it, but obviously it doesn't have enough in it. It's almost empty, and I'm not gonna buy another one. You know why? One, because I can make it myself. Two, I'm just not too happy with this company right now. So I am deciding I'm gonna make my own. And then I realized when I started to come together with how I'm gonna make it, all these ingredients are things that I already had in my pantry, and I can make it myself with the things that I have, and it's actually tastier because the benefit of this is you're able to just customize it too. Like if you want more black pepper in it, if you want more cumin in it, if you want more garlic in it, you can literally make it your own. So I'm gonna give you the base. This is the one that I do. This is how I make it for myself and for my family. It's an awesome taco seasoning, BT dubs. So it is great, and I'm gonna teach you how to do it. So I got these little cups, these ball jars. They have the little spice ones as well that you can buy, or you can get one of these little like blank jars. I make a good amount, so I use like these ball jars. You can also take your old empty ones and fill it up. So feel free to double, quadruple this recipe as it comes. This is an easy one. This is gonna be a fast one. So you ready? Here we go. 3 tablespoons of garlic powder. Your favorite garlic powder, not minced powder or minced garlic. It has to be garlic powder because it'll be easier. Then you're gonna take onion powder, half a tablespoon of onion powder. Again, like I said, you can totally make this your own. Add however much of these ingredients as you want, as long as you're adding these ingredients. The only one I wouldn't add more of is the turmeric, but here we go. Half a tablespoon of black pepper, and I like a lot of pepper, so I do a little bit over half, because that's how I like it. Then we need the oregano. So this also you can do. Now I have whole leaf oregano. Typically I would like it to be ground, and I'll probably grind it up as I put it in. So half a tablespoon of oregano, but I am gonna crush it as it goes in. You can get crushed oregano or dried oregano, however you want, but I'm just gonna crush it a little bit and spill it everywhere. I gotta pull this back up because it's my little illustration that I did for you guys. Oh, it's so cute because I got an iPad. I'm just gonna be drawing things for you guys all the time, just so you guys know. Anyway, back to the recipe. Now to turmeric. This is what makes it that yellow color. I always wondered, I was like, what is that yellow? This is what makes it that yellow color. I know it looks orange, but it is yellow when everything is mixed all together. And you're gonna do half a tablespoon of turmeric. I wouldn't go more with the turmeric. It's kind of strong. And then the cumin. This is also optional. As you guys know, the one that you buy at the store, you can get it with pepper or with comino, with cumin. Whatever it is that you want, but you can make it your own. I'm gonna do a little over half a tablespoon of that. And then salt. So the salt is something you control, right? So I do 2 tablespoons, sometimes 1.5 depending on how I'm feeling, but that is what you're gonna do. And then you're gonna take a little lid, little ball jar, lid, and you're gonna mix it up, and that's it. You have your adobo. So that's how much I make, probably about half of a little container. I triple this recipe, so I'll have it for you guys, but this will probably last you maybe a week, depending on how much you're gonna be cooking. But it's great on chicken, it's good on steak, it's good on pretty much any meat, and I sometimes put it in my rice. So enjoy, make your own, and you're gonna love it. Now, as per always, I'm gonna ask you to do me a favor. If you can, please like, subscribe, and comment below if you've tried this or if you want to try this, if you're gonna try it. And let me know what your favorite seasonings are. Maybe we can make some extra. I'm gonna do an everything but the bagel coming soon too, because I love it. So I love all of you. I hope to see you guys next time, and let me know what you cook up with your homemade adobo. Bye. I swear, sometimes, see, all these bottles make one nice thing. And you get rid of some of your spices, so you make, you know, your husband happy. Because there's not 8,000 containers of spices left around. All right. Time to put it away.